Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to easily embed fonts in PowerPoint in 2025. First, open PowerPoint on your computer and open the presentation you want to work with. Next, click on the File tab in the top left corner, then select Options. This will open the PowerPoint Options dialog box. Now, click on the Save tab in the sidebar. Scroll down until you see the Embed fonts in the File section and check the box to enable it. You'll also see two options. Choose Embed All Characters to make sure every character in your presentation is included. This ensures your fonts display correctly on any computer and your presentation can still be edited. Finally, click OK to confirm your settings and close the dialog box. And that's it. Your fonts are now embedded, keeping your slides looking exactly how you intended, no matter where they're opened. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.